Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: cloning investment. In this video, we'll explore what cloning investment is all about, its advantages, risks, and how you can implement it in your investment portfolio. So, let's dive right in. So, what exactly is cloning investment? Also known as mirror trading or copy trading, it's a method where you replicate the successful investment strategies used by seasoned investors or fund managers. This means you can imitate their portfolio compositions and trades, ultimately mimicking their success. Let's now take a closer look at the process of cloning investment. The first step is identifying successful investment strategies or investors. This requires in-depth research and analysis of various investment styles and individuals in the financial markets. Once you've identified the strategies that align with your investment goals, it's time to replicate them in your own portfolio. This may involve adjusting the asset allocation and making similar investment choices. After replicating the strategies, you need to implement the cloned investment. This can be done manually or through automated platforms that offer copy trading services. Now, let's explore the advantages of cloning investment. 1. Diversification. Cloning investment allows you to diversify your portfolio by following multiple successful strategies. This diversification can reduce the impact of individual investment losses on your overall portfolio. 2. Mitigation of risk. By cloning the strategies of successful investors, you are leveraging their expertise and experience to mitigate risks. This can be particularly beneficial for novice investors who lack the knowledge and experience of seasoned professionals. 3. Time and cost efficiency. For busy investors who may not have the time to actively manage their portfolios, cloning investment offers a time-efficient solution. Additionally, it can be cost-effective, as it eliminates the need for hiring expensive fund managers. Now, let's explore the risks and limitations of cloning investment. Of course, like any investment strategy, cloning investment comes with its own set of risks and limitations. 1. Strategy suitability. Not every successful strategy may be suitable for your unique financial situation and risk tolerance. It is crucial to ensure that the cloned investment aligns with your specific investment goals. 2. Market changes. Financial markets are dynamic and subject to change. A successful strategy in the past may not yield the same results in the future due to market fluctuations. 3. Legal and ethical considerations. Before engaging in cloning investment, it is essential to understand any legal and ethical considerations related to copying the investment decisions of others. Now, let's explore how to choose the right investment strategies for cloning. 1. Research and analysis. Conduct in-depth research and analysis of the strategies you are considering for cloning. Look into the historical performance, risk factors, and the alignment of the strategy with your investment objectives. 2. Aligning with investment goals. Choose strategies that align with your long-term financial goals and risk tolerance. Your investment portfolio should be a reflection of your individual needs and aspirations. Let's now explore how you can implement cloning in your investment portfolio. 1. Deer approach. Some investors prefer to manually clone the investment strategies they wish to follow. This approach provides more control and a deeper understanding of the investment decisions. 2. Seeking professional assistance. Alternatively, you can seek the services of a financial advisor or use automated platforms that offer copy trading services for a more hands-off approach. Now, let's take inspiration from some famous examples of cloning investment. Warren Buffett's investment style. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, has a unique investment style that many investors try to clone. His focus on value investing and long-term perspectives has inspired countless followers. Peter Lynch's approach. Peter Lynch, a legendary mutual fund manager, is known for his "buy what you know" strategy. His approach of investing in familiar companies has been widely studied and emulated. Ready to embark on your cloning investment journey? Here are some useful tips for success. 1. Start with a small portion of your portfolio to clone and gradually increase it as you gain confidence. 2. Regularly monitor the performance of the cloned strategies and make adjustments if necessary. 3. Stay updated on market trends and be prepared to adapt your cloned investments accordingly. Before you proceed, be aware of these common mistakes that you should avoid. 1. Blindly following successful investors without understanding their strategies. 2. Failing to diversify adequately by cloning too few strategies or relying solely on cloning. In conclusion, cloning investment offers an opportunity for investors to leverage the expertise of successful market players and diversify their portfolios effectively. By carefully selecting and implementing clone strategies that align with your investment goals, you can potentially enhance your overall investment performance.